हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं आज आपको टॉप 20 इंपोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स कराने वाली हूँ 21 मई 2025 के। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होने वाला है, सो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, राजाओं की बावली रिसेंटली restored by the ASI lies in which Indian city? Correct answer option B, New Delhi. Question 2. The newly launched Campus Calling program to spread awareness on gender sensitivity across universities is an initiative of which organization? Correct answer option B, National Commission for Women. Question 3. The upgraded Multi-Agency Center MAC unveiled in May 2025 operates under which organization? Correct answer option B, Intelligence Bureau. Question 4. The inaugural Khelo India Beach Games 2025 19 to 24 May are being held at which venue? Correct answer option B, Gogla Beach, Diu. Question 5. Who won his maiden men's singles title at the 2025 Italian Open in Rome? Correct answer option D, Carlos Alcaraz. Question 6. ISRO set up a failure analysis committee in May 2025 to probe the unsuccessful launch of which mission? Correct answer option B, PSLV C61 EOS-09. Question 7. Operation Olivia, conducted every year to protect Olivia-ridley turtle nesting sites, is carried out by which force? Correct answer option B, Indian Coast Guard. Question 8. Which organization observed Swachhata Pakhwada 2025 from 1st to 15 May at its headquarters and laboratories? Correct answer option B, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Question 9. India imposed fresh import restrictions on ready-made garments and processed food products from which neighboring country in May 2025? Correct answer option B, Bangladesh. Question 10. The newly notified Tisarapchu Conservation Reserve, now India's largest protected area, lies in which state? Correct answer option B, Himachal Pradesh. Question 11. The annual Sri Rui Lily Festival 2025 20 to 24 May is celebrated in which state to honor its iconic state flower? Correct answer option C, Manipur. Question 12. In May 2025, India's longest open web girder for a rail flyover was installed by DFCCIL at Kalamboli. Kalamboli lies in which Indian state? Correct answer option B, Maharashtra. Question 13. Which company retained the number one spot in the Kantar Brands Top 100 Most Valuable Global Brands 2025 ranking? Correct answer option C, Apple. Question 14. Who clinched the gold medal in the men's javelin throw at the Doha Diamond League meet on 16 May 2025? Correct answer option C, Julian Weber. Question 15. India lifted the 2025 SCFF Under-19 Men's Championship title after defeating which team 4-3 on penalties in the final at UP Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer option C, Bangladesh. Question 16. In May 2025, which Indian AI startup launched Bulbul V2, a multilingual text-to-speech T2S model that supports 7 Indian languages? Correct answer option B, Sabam AI. Question 17. The ICC Men's Player of the Month award for April 2025 was bestowed on which all-rounder for his 31-wicket, 116-run heroics against Zimbabwe? Correct answer option B. Mehdi Hassan Miraj. Question 18. The newly approved Kari-Sagma-Chord rail line project aimed at decongesting the Satna-Manikpur section will be built in which state? Correct answer option C. Madhya Pradesh. Question 19. Which Indian climate policy expert was appointed South Asia Special Envoy for COP30 Belém, Brazil in May 2025? Question D. Arnaba Ghosh. Question 20. Observed every 20 May World Bee Day 2025 was celebrated with which theme? Correct answer option C. Be inspired by nature to nourish us all.